I've been coaching at Excel for I think about 5 years, maybe 6. My favorite part of coaching is being in this environment where a lot of people are motivated to get themselves better, and it rubs off on me and it makes me want to do the same. What I love about fitness is it makes me feel good when I'm done, and it helps build new brain cells. Everyone can use a few more of those. New people are probably usually afraid of what they might see on the internet as far as how CrossFit goes, or maybe what they see on TV. CrossFit is for people of all walks of life. What people should know about me is that I'm a thrill seeker, and I like that anxious feeling you get before you're gonna do anything cool. People should know that Excel is probably the coolest place to be in Manteca. There's a great community, can't beat it.